Yeah, you are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say I want it that way. But we are two worlds apart, can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Am I your fire, your one desire? Yes, I know it's too late, but I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the way that it used to be. Yeah, no matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one desire. You are. Don't wanna hear you say nothing. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. 'Cause I want it that way.
I hope you enjoyed the music video as much as I enjoyed making it. Now I'll share the exact steps you can use to make something similar. This is a research paper that explains the technical details of the methods used. I will link this in the video description. Here's the official GitHub repo that accompanies the paper. What all of this code does here is it uses a pre-trained model to take a video, called the driving video, and transfer that motion onto a still image, allowing the image to come to life. There are a few models for various datasets. For this project I used the model for this Vox Celeb dataset, because it was trained on transferring face gestures to images. What's cool is that you can try this yourself without really writing any code. Here's how. I'll open this demo file in Google Colab. Note, you'll need a Google account. Now I'll run all this code and get this UI that you can use to select a driving video and an image. There are some example images that I can select of famous figures, or I can also upload my own image, which is what I had to do for this video. But just for the sake of this example, I'll select Mona Lisa. And then we can do the same thing for the video. I can choose any video or upload my own. So for this one, let's just choose Leonardo DiCaprio giving a speech. So the model will be the Vox model, and I will leave all the other options as default. And then I'll click generate and wait a few minutes for the deepfake to be made. Okay, let's take a look. So let me play the new video. I mean, it's definitely working. It doesn't look great because the driving video has a lot of head turning, but it gets the job done. There's also another Python notebook here called Old Demo that does everything programmatically without a visual. What I had to do for this project is record myself singing the Backstreet Boys song. Even though this was embarrassing in the moment, I needed a high quality driving video for each of our performers. The recorded videos had to be cropped to a square shape for the motion transfer to work. I also downloaded images that I wanted to use from the internet and also cropped them to a square shape. Then I edited the code in this old demo notebook to seamlessly take the clips from my Google Drive and transfer their motion onto the appropriate images, without me having to use the UI to do this for each video individually. So that's the explanation. You can feel free to play around using the first notebook without writing any code whatsoever, or you can use the second notebook that I edited to make your own music video with any celebrities that you want. On that note, thank you for watching this entire video and subscribe to the channel for more entertaining tech content.